platform. Today I will talk about computer. My topic belong to class 9th. Today we will discuss about chapter number 3 and the name of chapter perspectives in communication. Today we will discuss about the question answers of this chapter. So let's start. Write two instances where your perspectives has influenced your behavior towards a classmate or a friends. What is the meaning of this question? We have to give two examples where our perspectives has influenced our behavior. Our perspectives play an important role in our behavior. Perspectives play an important role in our behavior. Whatever we behave, our perspectives plays an important role. I am sharing two instances where my perspectives is affecting on my behavior. One day a new student has come in my class. Most of the students were teasing him, but I do not support them. I supported the new student to solve the problem. Means that a new student has been come in our class. Most of the students were teasing him, but I do not support them. Even some of my friends also doing so, but I do not support them because my perspectives does not allow me to do so. So I do not support them, but I support the new student to resolve this problem. Once our teacher provided us a project work in a group. I was appointed as a group leader. They were also my friends, but I distributed equal work among the group members. Means that one day our teachers giving a project work and I was appointed as a group leader. There is also my friends, but I do not too partial. I given all the work to equally to the group members. Now come to the next. Has any of your past experiences affected your communication with others? State how it affected the outcome of communication. In these questions we have to tell about that the past experience affect our behavior or not. So come to the answer. Our past experience affected our communication with others. Means that some incidents has been done in past, they also be affected to our behavior. If our past experience is positive, then we become confident, but if our past experience is negative, then we hesitate to do the things. I am sharing my past experience that make me confident. Means that if your past experience is good, then you become a confident, but your past experience is not good, then you become you will become hesitated persons. You do not want to face very confidently. Now come to the example. I got chance to perform the stage, but I was nervous to perform on stage. But I perform on stage. My teacher and classmate appreciate me. Now I am confident to perform on stage. First time whenever we got to chance to perform on stage, then we will nervous, but after performance, if our performance is good and everyone appreciate us, then we become confident. But our performance is not good, then we will become not confident. We will hesitate for the next performance. But in this example he got appreciation, then I become confident to perform on the stage. Now come to the next answer. How does the environment affected communication? Cite on example. We have to give an example how environment affect a communication. Environment context refer to physical location, temperature, weather, time of day that affected communication. What is the meaning of environment? The temperature, weather, times of day and places where we are communicating, these things has been come in the environment, and they also affect our communication process. The place of communication and the timing of communication play an important role in effective communication. All the things has been play an important role in the effective communication. I am giving you some examples. Some students enjoy and learn more from the classroom discussion. The shy students do not speak up in class. You can see in your class that some students are enjoying group discussion, they take part in a class discussion, but some shy students do not take part in this student. That means that that's not mean that they do not know anything, means that they are not comfortable to talk in that environment. But if the teacher talk to shy student personally, they better able to convey their problem and their opinion. But when we talk these students in personally, then they are very much comfortable and they will tell their opinion and their problems. Now come to the last question. Surbhi and her friends are debating about the artwork. Some of them thinking that it is a jungle scene, and while others perceive it is a life journey of a person. Which factor influence their perspectives toward that artwork? What is the meaning of this question? There are two views. One is saying that it is a jungle scene, and some is saying that it is a life journey of a person. So let's discuss which is the factor that influence their perspectives. Come to the answer. Visual perspectives of Surbhi and his friends are main factor that influence their behavior toward that artwork. Which type of perspectives? Visual perspectives. Visual perspectives is the responsible perspective that influence their perspectives toward the artwork. Long and dense forest of artwork has some of them to think that is a jungle. They are long and dense forests, so they think that it is a jungle. But some of them observe the message behind the artwork. But in that group there are also some person who also try to understand the message behind of them, and in which life is same as a jungle scene where everyone have made their own way, everyone is alone to face the challenges. So these are the things we have to understand in this chapter, and this is the question answers of this chapter. I hope you got some help from this video. If you got help, you can like it, share it and subscribe it. Thanks for watching my video.